welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to get dressed really quick, so I thought I would do like a quick get ready with me hair and outfit. So my best friend Skylar is on her way. She's having a Halloween party tomorrow and we're going to go pick up a few things for that. But I got this new wig from RoyalMe. It's a headband wig, y'all, and I know like headband wigs are it right now and I freaking love them because they're so easy. So I already washed my hair and I just put it in these like 4 little weird braids, so it's one on each side and one in the middle, kind of like the video that I did last time with the headband wig. But yeah, I got this one, y'all, and it is 36 inches, I think. Is it 36 or is 40 inches? I want to say 36. But look at this, if I can get it off. Look how long it is. Oh my gosh, it's so much hair. So I am so excited. I'm about to put this on right now. But this is what it looks like for anyone who is not familiar with the headband wig. She outside. This is how it looks. And I'm gonna put on a black wig cap under here. I'll do my edges after. Make sure it's kind of flat back there. It's so long. So I'm just hooking the hooks in, which is why I have the braids and not slick back. So I told you guys last time when I just did it slick back, it was sliding. It didn't feel like it was hooked into nothing. But when I do the braids like this, it gives it something to like grip onto. It's so much hair, y'all.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer.
Dang, I don't know what headband I want to do with this. What am I about to put on actually? So now I'm going to take my Lovely Bees Edge Control. Actually, I want to brush this stuff out first.
Yeah, yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah, you're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah.
This toothbrush sucks.
Ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad.
It's so long, y'all. Look how long it is. I'm 5'5", if anyone is wondering. And this, does it go to my knees? If it was straight, it would probably touch my knees. Okay, outfit on. I got this cute headband. It looks like a rope chain off Amazon, you guys. I'll leave everything down below, including all the details for the wig and the edge control, headband, outfit. Everything would be down below, but look how cute that is. I don't know if I should put on bigger earrings or if I can leave these little cuffs in. They have makeup on them. Okay, so I switched to my vlog camera, and this is how long the hair is, you guys. This is my outfit. So I got this top from Essentials. It is so cute. Y'all ignore all those wig boxes. But this is what the back looks like. It's completely out, and then it ties right here, and you can like tighten this part or loosen it up however you want. And then I got these mom jeans from Zara. These boots are actually rain boots, you guys, but I freaking love them. And I thought that they would look really, really cute with this top. And then just a simple bag right here. This is from Lola's. Just a simple black everyday bag. But yeah, this is the outfit. This is the hair. Look at this. It's so much hair. It's so freaking long. I freaking love it. But yeah, best friend is outside. Now I'm about to go.
That's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye.